a young generation for playing sports because it's healthy for our health. Thank you.
Wow. Amazing. Good job, Nichal. Very nice.
Good job, Nishal.
Yes.
Thank you.
You gave us very nice information about yourself. Great.
तो हमें खिलाड़ी होने के लिए हमें क्या जरूरत है? फिटनेस की भी जरूरत है, तो इसलिए हम लोग जब सुबह असेंबली के टाइम एक्सरसाइज होती है तो करना बहुत जरूरी है। तो निश्चल ने हमें जो बताया, हम खिलाड़ियों को फिट रहना, तंदुरुस्त रहना बहुत जरूरी है। वेरी गुड निश्चल।
मैं रोज नीचे जाता हूँ।
Good. Good job. Very nice, Nichal. Now we go to Pranil. Pranil, you there? Yeah. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Let me guess, Pranil. Oh, are you? You are not Pranil. You are Mr. Sir Albert Einstein.
Yes.
Oh, that's lovely. It's good to meet you, Sir Albert Einstein. We would like to know about you.
Thank you.
Yes, go ahead.
Then, hello everyone, I am Albert Einstein. You can call me genius, thinker, inventor, and physicist. Now let me talk about my childhood. I was born in Germany on 14 March 1879, which is celebrated as Pi Day. I surprised my mother with my abnormally big head. I was very slow with my speech and didn't really talk until I was 4 years old. My grandmother thought I was stupid and also I didn't do well in school. But just love maths and science from childhood. When I was 5 years old, my father brought me a compass. I immediately started thinking why the needle is always pointing on north. From that day onwards, this day, I love magnets and how they work. When I was 15, I left school and went with my family to Italy. In 1900, I got a degree of maths and physics. I didn't get a job of teaching from 9 years, so I work as a clerk in patent office. In patent office, I look other people's invention and make my own invention. I was very famous for my theory of relativity and equation what I made. E is equal to mc² square. Means mass can turn into energy. In 1921, I won the Nobel Prize for my photoelectric effect. I write more than 300 scientific papers. And I died from a heart failure 18 April 1955 at the age of 76. Are you wondering how I'm talking with you now? I came from heaven specially for colors team. Now let's do some secret flags. I have IQ of 160. I am not remember anything, my appointment and to wear socks. I don't like to wear socks. I love to play violin from 6 years. If I was not a physicist, I would be a musician. I love to sail, but I don't know how to drive and swim. After I died, my brain was removed and taken under research by a scientist to know more about me, why I am so genius. You want to know more about me? Come to Albert Einstein Museum. I will leave with two thoughts. Imagination is more important than knowledge. I have no special talent. I am just little curious. You all also should be curious. I leave with my special iconic smile. Ah. Thank you.
Wow. This is awesome.
Excellent, Pranil.
Wow. Let's have a big round of applause for Pranil. Very good. Amazing. Good job.
Good.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
we all give a nice laugh to Albert Einstein? The way he just laughed. Let's all
Yes.
give a nice laugh to Mr. Sir Albert Einstein. Yes. Ah! We all can do that. And that's a lovely thought, Sir Einstein, that we all must be curious. That's so nice thought you all have given it to us. Thank
Yes.
you.
The second thing also he said is imagination, right? So you have to imagine and be creative. Yeah, very nice.
I said imagination is more important than knowledge.
Yeah, yeah, that is very good point. Good job, very nice.
Sir, I have Albert Einstein books.
Very good, very good.
Great.
So Sambhavi is not there today, right? Sambhavi is not there. I think she couldn't join. Alok,
So,
all right.
Kiran Majumdar isn't here with us, sir.
Yeah, I think the parents messaged that,
Okay. So Major Dhyan Chand is about to meet us.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, beta.
Today I have a character of Major Dhyan Chand, and I am going to tell about him. I am a great field hockey player, and I won 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932, 1936. I born in 29th August 1905, and I won with Padma Bhushan in 1956. Thank you.
Wow.
Good.
Ma'am, all first graders, or the way they are talking is just simply superb.
Simply
Yes,
superb.
sir.
Yes.
Amazing
Thank you, sir.
confidence, and the way they do
They
it
all
is
have come out.
yeah.
Yes. They all have come out of their comfort zone, and the way they are presenting, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Very
Good
good.
job.
And
और Major
job.
Dhyan
I
Chand.
want to tell how we play also hockey.
Yes, we would love to know that.
In hockey, we have a state and we have a team. In the team, we hit the ball
Yes.
and we pass the ball on the next player.
Yes.
Then the next player goal the ball. Then we won the match.
So he was the best. Very good. So he was a consistent, continuous scorer for India, right? He has
Yes.
in one of the matches he has scored 7 goals against the rivals actually in the Olympic, and India
Yes.
won.
And his
God of hockey, we say him.
God of hockey. Yeah.
Yes. और
Very
हमारा
good.
राष्ट्रीय खेल भी इन्हीं के खेल मिलने के बाद भारत ने राष्ट्रीय खेल घोषित किया था हॉकी को।
Yes, ma'am.
And children, we celebrate National Sports Day on Major Dhyanchand's birthday. So आपके birthday पर Major Dhyanchand National Sports Day भी celebrate करते हैं,
Yes, yes,
right?
Yes.
right.
Amazing. Good job. It was
Ma'am, today
fantastic.
is my birthday.
Oh,
wow.
Wish
Birthday.
you a very happy birthday, Alok.
happy birthday, Alok.
Happy
Wow.
birthday to you, Alok. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Thank you,
birthday.
May
Very good.
you also rise and shine like Major Dhyanchand.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
He will. Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Alok.
And
Okay.
here is Andrea Gassi.
Here we have Andrea Gassi.
Andrea.
Yes. Wow. Yes, beta.
I am Andrea Gandhi. I am a former #1 American tennis player. I was born on April 29, 1970 in Las Vegas, USA. I play with my right hand and backhand with both hands. I am 8 times winner and 7 times runner-up in Grand Slams. And the first one who won 4-time Australian Open championship. I am gold medalist in 1996 Olympics. I have won more than 30 million. I have won more than 30 million prize money in my entire career. After my retirement in 2006, I do charity. Thank you.
Wow.
Good jobs.
Good job. Very nice. Amazing with the action and the speech. It is very difficult. The way they do it is so amazing.
Seriously.
Amazing,
So
Advay. Very
it's so good to meet you, Mr. Andrea Gassi, and you've been a great player. You really played very, very well. My father is a,
big fan.
is a lawn tennis player, and he's a big fan of Andrea Gassi.
So Andrea Agassi has not been a very, very strong in terms of his body strength and all that, but he's a very smart player. And he has won
Yes.
against the best of the best, like Boris Becker and many other strong
Right.
players than him, actually. So he was the smartest among all of them. And that's the reason he has won so many Grand Slams.
So many Grand Slams. Yes. That too singles, not in teams, but
Yes.
singles.
Including the
doubles, but
Wimbledon,
singles.
yeah.
Yes.
Good job. And the way you covered was simply superb. Good job.
Very good, Andrea.
Thank you, ma'am.
Daksh, I don't see here.
Daksh
Dak-
Patil, sir. Chhatrapati
Yeah.
Shivaji.
Yeah, I think
So we are going to
missing
meet
him here.
Chhatrapati Shivaji.
So we'll miss him here right now. Okay. Sanskriti is also not seeing here. Sanskriti.
Sanskriti Niman. All right.
Oh. Okay, then we have
Mithali
Dhruvi.
Dhruvi Pawan.
Dhruvi was there. Yeah, Dhruvi, can you switch on your camera? Yes, beta, 1 minute. Yes, good job. Yes. Yes, you can begin now.
Hello everyone.
Hey,
Good
Team
morning.
Blue, Team Blue.
My name is Mithali Raj. I am born in Jodhpur, Rajasthan on 3rd December 1982.
That's okay. Let him also shout. Yeah.
That's okay. Mithali ma'am, that's perfectly fine. The one who's shouting behind, they are just rejoicing your win.
Dhruvi, that's okay. We can hear you.
Currently, I live in Hyderabad. I had all my education in Hyderabad. Only I am cricketer, and I am proud to say the uh, reprise represent as captain of the Indian women national cricket team. I am right-handed opening batter from childhood. I love playing cricket. I started playing cricket for railways. mm, from year 10. I enjoy reading books and also I am Bharatnatyam dancer. Awards I have received Ajura Award in 2003 and Padma Shri in 2050. Jai Hind 2005. 2005. Jai Hind. Thank, thank you all for listening. Thank you.
Good job, Dhruvi. Very nice. Good job. Amazing.
Very good.
Amazing. Very good. So, you know, Mithali Raj was the captain of Indian cricket team, right? And she was equally good batsman and batswoman. Yeah, so batswoman as well as the commentator. So she equally do good in the commentary also. She does all the international matches commentary now. She is amazing and she has so much knowledge about cricket. Very nice, Dhruvi. Good job. I enjoyed listening to you. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Good job. Very good, Dhruvi. You know, she's the highest run scorer and her records are too good. Very good. Excellent. And you presented very well.
Good job, Dhruvi. Very good. Inder ma'am, you are there? Anything from your side? Inder ma'am? Yes, yes.
मिताली राज ने तो क्रिकेट में इतना हम लोग अभी भी खुश होकर देखते हैं और हमारे बच्चे भी देखते होंगे तो और हम लोग कैसे उन्होंने अपने आप को फिट रखा हुआ है और मैं बार बार यही कहूंगी कि हमें असेंबली में ज्वाइन होकर एक्सरसाइज करनी है अपने आप को फिट एंड फाइन रखना है और कोई ना कोई प्लेयर जरूर बनना है हमने आगे चल के लाइफ में
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, very good. Now we go to Aradhya. Wait a minute, beta, 1 minute.
Hima
Yeah,
Das.
yes, very good.
Wow, very good.
Hello everyone, I am Aradhya Panda from CIA. But today I am going to represent me, Hima Das. I was born on 9 January 2000 at Kanduli Mari village, Dhing town, Assam. My parents' name is Ronjit Das and Jonati Das. My father was a farmer by his business and I am the youngest one of my 5 siblings. Because of my passion for sports and particularly towards athletics, I was famously called as Dhing Express. I have received so many medals for my country at international level and made my country proud, including medal at Asian Games. I have also received Arjuna Award from our Honorable President for my contribution to sports on 25th September 2018. Recently, the Bannerghata Biological Park named a tigress cub as Hima in my honor. Thank you.
Good job. Very nice. Hima Das, good job. You did really good.
Sir, here is my Himalayas poster.
Yes. Yes.
Now you are not Hima Das, you are Ding Express.
Amazing.
Yes. Wow, very good. Very good.
Good job, Aradhya. Very nice. Good job. Now we go to Ronit. Ronit, you're there? Ronit, I don't see him.
This will
Yeah. Yeah. Just a minute. Yes, beta.
I get this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. I get the sunshine in my pocket, this sun in my feet. Hello, my name is Justin Timberlake, and you can call me as the JT. I was born in Tennessee, and birth date is my birth date is 31st January 1981, and I am an American singer, actor, song producer, and record producer. And my height is 1.85 meter, and my spouse is Jessica BL. I was in Mickey Mouse Clubhouse as a small child. Grammy Awards for my R&B solo and Justin Timberlake. And thank you.
Wow. Good job, Justin. Very nice. Amazing.
Yes. एंट्री
Good.
बहुत अच्छी थी आपकी.
Yeah, it was an amazing, powerful entry actually. Yeah. Amazing. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
India, ma'am.
Yes. So, Mr. Justin Timberlake, I know that your net worth is quite high, and your entry was superb, and you sing brilliant, and all the young generation is your fan. I know that, and you
Thank
sing
you.
fabulous. Good job, Mr. Justin Timberlake.
Good job. Good job. Very nice. Be energetic like the way you are.
Ronit,
Very
you
good.
did it very nicely. You performed the song also very well. And initially, when you were talking, the accent that you were giving was also very nice. You were talking actually like Justin Timberlake.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
Good job,
Very good,
Ronit.
very good.
Now we have Shreya Ghoshal, right?
Hello.
Wow.
Yeah, super smile. Very good. Yes, beta.
Hello friends, I am Alvi. Today I am talking about Shreya Ghoshal. Shreya Ghoshal is Indian playback singer, composer and music producer. She born in 12 March 1984. She got so many awards in music. At age of 6, she started her formal training in classical music. Apart from playback singer. She appeared as judge on various TV reality shows. In April 2013, United. She was honored by United State of Ohio, where Governor Strickland declared as 26 June 2010 will be as Shreya Ghoshal Day. Today, I am singing one of my favorite songs of Shreya Ghoshal. It is for my dad. Chandan, I will start now.
Yeah.
चंदा ने पूजा तारों से, तारों ने पूजा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा. Thank you.
Wow. Job.
वेरी गुड. श्रेया घोषाल जी की जो मुस्कुराहट है ना बहुत ही सुंदर है, और वो बिल्कुल बिना किसी डर और बिना किसी उसके इतना सुंदर आपने प्रेजेंट किया है ना, सचमुच मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हो गई हूँ. श्रेया घोषाल जी की तो हूँ ही हूँ, आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हो गई हूँ. आपने बहुत सुंदर स्माइल के साथ हमें सब कुछ बताया है. हाँ जी.
Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, the way she was talking like a very relaxed and enjoying that presentation. Wow, Varoi, amazing. Good job.
Shreya
Amazing.
Ghoshal, your smile was intact. Your smile was intact. जैसे श्रेया घोषाल स्माइल करती रहती है, आप भी वैसे ही स्माइल कर रहे थे.
यस, और मैं एक बात यहाँ ये भी कहूंगी विंध्या मैम, आपकी स्माइल भी बहुत खूबसूरत है और आपकी आवाज दिल को छूने वाली है.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. मगर अभी हम श्रेया घोषाल जी के बारे में बात करते हैं.
Good
श्रेया
job.
घोषाल, और आपने कितना सुंदर गाना गाया है. You must pursue singing, Arohi. Your voice is very beautiful.
यस.
Right?
Amazing. Very nice.
Nice.
Now we go to
Ahan, sir, Ahan Yadav.
yeah, Ahan,
We are going to meet Abhinav Bindra.
Is he stop the video? Yeah, Abhinav. Yes, beta.
Sir, can I share the PPT?
You can share the PPT also as you like. Yes, beta, you can share now. Wow.
Hi everyone, I am Abhinav Bindra. I am best in gun shooting. I was born on September 28, 1982. My mother name is Balbi Bindra and my father's name is Dr. Abhijit Bindra. I studied at the Doon School in Dehradun and later in Stephens School located in Chandigarh, Punjab in 2000. I completed high school and then graduated with a bachelor in business administration degree from the University of Colorado. I dedicated also patriotic and sympathetic. I am India's first person to win Olympic gold medal. I won gold medal in the 30-meter air rifle event at the 2008 Summer Olympics, and it was also India's first Olympic gold medal. Guys, thank you.
Very good, Ahan. Very nice, Abhinav Bindra. You did amazing. Very good.
Thank you.
Good job.
Abhinav,
Very
yes, India, Abhinav Bindra ji, India is truly proud of you. We won the gold medal after so many years, and you were the one who got gold medal to us. Thank you for doing that to India. Good job, Ahan. You did a good job.
Very nice.
Yes.
Now
Yes,
give a
ma'am.
smile. Give a nice smile to us.
Yes.
अच्छा वाला smile. अच्छा big वाला smile. Ahan वाला smile. Yes.
Good, good.
Good job. Very nice. Be relaxed.
Yes.
Very nice.
Sir, there's just 2 minutes left for the meeting. So do we
Yeah,
need to leave
Yes.
and then join?
Yes. So everybody take a water break and come back after 2 minutes. Take a 2-3 minutes break. Everybody go take a water break.